Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to create the popular photo swipe trend on TikTok. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tutorials. Let's get started. First, make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. This ensures you have access to all the newest features, including the photo swipe effect. Now, open TikTok and tap on the plus icon at the bottom center of your screen to start creating a new video. Instead of recording, tap on the upload button on the right-hand side to access your photo gallery. From here, select the photos you'd like to include in your video. Keep in mind that the order in which you select them will determine how they appear in the final video. If you need to rearrange them, simply long press on a photo and drag it into the desired position. Once you've selected and arranged your photos, tap on Next to proceed. It's important to stay in photo mode, don't switch to video mode, as this will prevent the swipe effect from working properly. If you don't see the photo mode feature, it might not be available yet on your device. In that case, you can wait for an update, try accessing TikTok on another device, or consider using a VPN to see if the feature is available in a different region. And that's it. Once your photos are set up, you can add music, effects, or text to enhance your video before posting it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you join the photo swipe trend on TikTok. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.